今天我吃的是鲜虾蒸。
Everybody, so today I'm having trouble with my DJI Mini 2. So we've been here before. They helped us a little bit here, so we're gonna go in here and we're gonna see if they can help me. My drone a couple of times here now, and now yesterday I took it out and I couldn't get it to go. So we'll see if they can help me get it going. This is our DJI store. We were here before. The doors are locked right now, but the lady just told us that he will be back, so we'll just wait.
Okay. You come now. Now come.
I guess.
谢谢。小孩 ，this for you put the phone.
Yes.
啊 ，shooter。哎，是吧？一般卖多少钱那种？
哦，要看配置啦。标配的话，如果说带显示器，估计在4000多一套。
这全部配置好吗？
那种是一般般的，就如果说有要求一点的，
要求的肯定要。
去到8、9千块钱。
8、9千。
对。哦。每个配置不一样，价格。
哦，对。预定是吧？
对对。哦。那个是要定。
8、9千哈，嗯。可能我们这次
Congratulations, everything good.
全部都正常，他说，但是就是起步不了。老公又开始整他的 DJI， 可能准备换一个，以旧换新，他这里可以，这次买不了了，这次已经没有了。哇，这个，哇，好大看起来。大疆无人机，哎，这个，我觉得这个好，老公。
We come there.
这个是 medium，
那个是迷你4 Pro。
我们那个，
你们那个，
哎 ，medium 怎么了
？1300。
才
I paid like $800 Canadian for that.
你给他多少钱？他说。
他那个可以直，然后
多少钱？
然后这一个嘛
，5688。
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Today we're in Zhuhai. We're at DJI. A few years ago, I bought a DJI Mini 2, and it's worked fairly good. But last time we came here, I couldn't connect it to my phone. We couldn't figure it out. We brought it to this same shop, and he helped me figure out that it was my phone that was no good. And then we went out to our house there the other day, and I flew it around a little bit. It seemed to be okay. But then last night I wanted to go to the theater to take pictures, and I just couldn't get it to go. So we brought it here today. He told us it's an outdated DJI, and he's gonna we're gonna trade my DJI in, and I'm gonna get the DJI Mini Pro. And here it is here. This is the one I'm gonna get here, and it's a DJI Mini 4 Pro. And this has sensors on the front, so it won't crash into anything. My old DJI, the Mini 2, didn't have that. It only had a sensor on the bottom. So, and it's still under the 249 grams. So I'm trading it in here, and they're going to give me 1,500 RMB for my old one to go against this new one here. So it's got everything. So this is what we came here to do today. They did give me some money for my old camera. So yeah, it is what it is. So bye-bye Mini 2 and hello Mini 4. DJI Mini 4 Pro.
Mini 4 Pro.
So the controller with it, and I don't have to connect it to my phone. So here it is here. It looks a little bit bigger, but it's got the collision control on it. And instead of hooking it up to my phone all the time, I just grab this controller.
That's cool, huh? You loaded the connected phone.
Yes, but this one here, I do need to use these little sticks. My other one, I didn't need to use it, but these ones here, but they just clip in right here. So.
Need the power.
Yeah. So anyway, we're going to be here for a while today. We're going to. Yes, we're going to learn how to do this here. So this is what we're getting. My DJI Mini 4 Pro. I think we're paying around
This is regular price for how much?
Regular price 7,000 RMB.
Then we trade 1,300.
Yeah, 1,300. So we're gonna pay 5,000, just a little over 1,000 Canadian. But this is a big step up from my old one to this. This is a big step up. It's more modern, new. It's got all the latest gadgets. So we're gonna be here a while, so we'll check in a while.
Okay.
If you see on this thing here, it's got the sensors on the bottom, so it's not going to crash anything on the bottom. It's got the sensors on the front, so it's not going to crash into anything there. And it also has the sensors on the top, so you're not going to crash into anything there. Yes, it must be 249 grams. If it's more than 249 grams, you need a license, and you need to register it. So
就说不能超过它那个重量不能超过249。
This is it here. Oh, this one's heavy, and it probably doesn't tell you the weight because it's too heavy.
This is for business.
Yeah, this would be a business one here. Like it doesn't say how heavy it is because you need a license and a register. This one's 32,000. Too heavy.
Too heavy?
It's too heavy. 249. Oh, this one. You need a license. You need to register.
如果重了，你就必须要登记，要报备，要。
那个可以给你拆了，然后先充电吗？
对。
Okay, let's
You need to charge the power.
Okay, well let's unbox this here.
Open
Okay.
box now.
Yeah, he's gonna.
OK， 要不你
You do the heading.
Okay, let's do the unbox here. It's a DJI Mini 4. So let's open it up here and see what we got here.
Okay.
This is ours, so.
You can open it. I will pay later. I didn't pay. I paid.
Oh, that's okay. We will. So you just need to open it up here. Okay, here it is. Here we got a carrying case, the same similar to there. Oh, it's in the case. Oh, okay. Everything's in the case already. So, like I say, it's a DJI Mini 4 Pro. So that's what we're dealing with here. So it's just a little bit bigger bag than the Mini 2.
Little bit bigger.
It's pretty close to the same, but it's a little bit fatter. It's bigger here. So it's just a little bit bigger than the Mini 2 bag, but inside should have everything you need.
Yes.
So it should have the charger, and here's the plane itself. Here's the plane itself. So just gotta open it up here, find the rip. There we are. So here is we'll set this over here. We'll go piece by piece. So and it should be pretty similar to the other one here. You open it up here. And it should be the same here, and then, well, it's the same design. You got to open it up a certain way, and then you take off your lens cap here. So that's, so there's the, what happened here? No.
I think you
okay. Well, he's watching. He's supervising. So there's the DJI itself, and then you got a monitor, and this is different. This one here, on my DJI here, I had to put my phone onto here, and then you had to plug it in, and it was a big trouble.
This one no need.
This one here, you do not need to hook it up to the phone. And that's why it's a little bit more, because it has its own monitor system. So you bring it out here, and you flip up your little antennas, and this here, you got your little arms back here. You just connect into here.
Oh, you know everything. Look, my sister know everything.
So these are your flying control sticks here. So anyway, there's the controller and the machine itself, and then here, I would assume, it's only got 2 batteries.
2 batteries. You have how much?
I have 3 batteries.
Maybe he give you more batteries.
Maybe there's a battery in here, and slide right out.
Oh.
That's a nicer system. So, and then we got the extra, the charging. So here's the charger, and you can
This way.
charge it. There's
There you
3
are.
batteries in there.
I can charge.
So the extra batteries, it's so good, and I like this system better. The other one was a little bit.
Now they help you charge. We need to go take a.
So there, and then
Go ahead,
you just plug it in
I
here.
give you charge.
That's it. It's pretty simple. There's just the three components, and it's a lot nicer looking. So now we're gonna have to wait a while. He's got it on the charger
Yes, sure.
there,
Oh,
and
just
that's
like
it.
that.
That's it. There's nothing really else.
Nothing here.
But in here,
Oh.
you should have extra blades. Like if you do ever crash, they do give you extra blades.
Oh, this is for what? Oh, look at this. This is for what?
Well, here's your little charging cables.
Oh, I have a charger for me.
Yeah, but he's charging it here now. You don't really need these here. But there's extra, and here's extra blades right here. And here's just information.
Oh.
But in here, here's extra blades here. There's a little number. They're not all the same. They're not all the same. Somewhere, oh here, B. These are B blades.
Oh.
And there's A blades.
Oh.
And here's a little screwdriver to put them on. So, yeah, well here A. That's not that one there. These are A here, see? The line goes this way here on A. And on B, the lines go, you would connect it here, and the lines go this way here. So I figured it out. I don't need to ask them. These are just charge cords.
It's just for charge.
Yeah, this is a CC charge cord, like the CC, and this is a C USB.
Oh.
You know, this is the one we would use here because it's got the USB here and a C.
Oh.
And this one here is a C and a C, so we really don't need that one there.
Okay.
So
所以
everything is good.
可以哈。
对对 A B 啊，
A B 对对对，他在哦有 A B 吗？
没有 A B，
没有啊。来，
So we're
哎
paying
you take
we're paying a
5,600
difference of
exchange
$5,688
your old one
to exchange. Yes. So the wife is paying.
5,608
Yeah. So we're paying
5,688。
500.
好，现在我老公呢就开始他那个都要设置以后就可以用了。我买的是 Mini 4，这个。
This is our shop on our shopping list here. We already tried to buy it. It's a DJI Osmos Pocket 3. It's a beautiful little camera, and it's nice and easy to get around. And you watch this little thing here on top. As soon as I flip this thing here, it wakes up the camera. And it's got a nice little gimbal system on here. You can't really run a lot with it here, but it's a beautiful little camera. It's got a nice little display on the back here. Wow. There's one of the hottest cameras on the market now. Everybody wants it. So that's why they're sold out. And I've watched a lot of guys on YouTube, they're using these.
And the evening.
And it takes a lot better evening pictures than the GoPro. So
Yes.
I don't know. We're just getting all set up to make better videos for you.
Yes, for you guys.
So anyway,
Okay.
we're trying.
他在买是飞我们的 DJI Mini 4。Hi, hello.
Okay. Look, darling.
Huh?
It won't let them go into the building.
哦。
这就叫避障。
哦，对对对，耶。
So go back there.
OK, go back here. 好，你看，遇到了障碍物，它就停下来了，你看到没有？来，它不会去撞墙，不会撞墙，看到没有？来了，哎呀，好酷！有多高？最高我要看。
这里只能60米。
哦，这里只能60米啊。嗨。耶。 什么意思？
锁定，
It's
锁定。
following me. Self-track on me. It'll follow me.
I follow you。你看，老公走那边，他也走那边。他就停在那里。
为什么他要停这里？
啊，
首先我做的是一个锁定功能。
哦，这锁定功能。
锁定功能，然后他不能让他先跟着走，因为这个地方，如果他这样跟着的话，他就是智能会左右，知道吧？左右会晃，一定要这个功能一定要空旷的地方。
哦，空旷的地方。
你让他跟随。
Now you can't do because they're so small. You want to do this must be big area. You understand?
Okay.
So 响声是什么？咚咚咚咚。
有检测的障碍物。
哪里？咚咚咚。
要高一点，高一点。
哎，高一点，有点high little bit，有。
这咚咚咚。
对，那个意思就是障碍物。
这有障碍物。
哦，这个
障碍物，对。
哦，好。
对，那懂吗？
啊，这个什么意思？
这个叫雷达。雷达就跟倒车影像。倒车影像 ，OK， 这个倒车。
This is seems your car back camera, you can see.
哦，
哎 ，you understand？
你看那个，往这边飞就是湾仔沙嘛，对不对？在这里显示。
You can see here. You can see here. Go back.
对 ，OK， 检测的障碍物。对。
He can see.
他能理解吗
Will it stop? Go back?
啊
Will it stop? Go back? Does it have the sensor there?
Because I have something here, need to go back.
I'm pretty sure I got the basics down on here. I have more to learn, but he showed me some pretty cool stuff here. But I'm gonna try a couple of things here.
Oh, you careful.
Take off.
We're outside the car everywhere.
Okay.
But he will follow you.
Yeah, it is. It's turning around. I'm not doing nothing.
Oh,
It's following.
just follow. Okay.
So anyway, we bought it. He's showing us the basics. I've learned a little bit. I knew some of it, but I have more to learn, which I will. Shay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And now I need to, the same as before, I'm going to go on YouTube and I'm going to watch instructional videos on how to get better at using it.
Okay,
So,
okay.
but as of right now, this needs a good charge and everything needs a good charge. We're going to go back to the hotel and then later on tonight, tune in later.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Just putting everything away. So it's pretty similar to the old one. Oh, this one's got little keepers here. You cover the eyes, and it just comes down here and just clicks into here. So there, that's all
Okay.
pretty fancy dancy. So it just goes into the case.
Good.
Fold these down, they fold down, take off your little controller. So you just set these little doohickeys here and there, and that's it. It's a nice little compact system.
What are you doing, sweetheart?
All right, buddy. So this morning we were out and we got my new
Your baby.
DJI Mini 4 Pro. We traded in my Mini 2 and we got a new controller and we got a new everything.